Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make flan simply. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. The initial step involves creating that beautiful caramel base. Gently melt about 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan until it turns a rich amber color. Be careful, as it gets very hot. Then, quickly pour this liquid gold into your chosen ramekins or baking dish, ensuring an even coating. Now let's craft the creamy custard. In a bowl, gently whisk 4 large eggs and 2 additional egg yolks until they are just combined. We want to avoid incorporating too much air. In a separate saucepan, warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the sugar fully dissolves. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Finally, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve for that incredibly smooth finish. For baking, place your filled ramekins into a larger baking pan. This creates a water bath, which is essential for even cooking and a silky texture. Carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, ensuring it comes about halfway up the sides of your ramekins. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. The flan is ready when the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Afterward, chill your flan for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. The moment of truth. To unmold your perfectly chilled flan, run a thin knife carefully around the edge of each ramekin. This helps to loosen the custard from the sides. Next, place a serving plate over the ramekin and, with a swift and confident flip, invert it. The luscious caramel will then cascade down, beautifully coating the smooth flan. Your exquisite homemade flan is now ready to be served as a truly delightful and impressive dessert for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.